So, na-trigger kasi tayo ng ating kalooban kasi we saw a video of what seems like unqualified people who are performing hair transplantation. Which hair transplant team will I choose to do my hair transplant procedure? Hello everybody! Welcome back to our 8th vlog at Hair Transplant PH, where we try to share with you some facts about hair loss and its medical and surgical management. Again, if you, a family member or a friend, is suffering from hair loss, or if you just have great interest in this topic, just click and like the subscribe button below. Hello, Doc Jean.
Hello.
It's been a while since our last vlog.
Oo nga.
Ano bang ikinabisi natin?
We've been very busy for the past several days and weeks. So, babawi kami sa inyo and we will be talking and giving you quality videos about hair loss. So, let's say you had the thinning hair. Then the doctor gave you already the medical management, either topical or oral management. But still, you have baldness pa din, yung mga areas na wala na talagang buhok. So, you've decided the next procedure to be done would be hair transplantation. So, the next question would be, which hair transplant team will I choose to do my hair transplant procedure?
So, a little backstory lang why we chose this topic.
Yes.
Medyo na-trigger kasi tayo ng ating kalooban kasi we saw a video of what seems like unqualified people who are performing hair transplantation here in the Philippines. But take note Doc Jean, this doesn't happen only here sa Pilipinas.
Yes.
This actually happens worldwide. So that's why there's a call by the ISHRS for legit hair transplant surgeons to fight the fight. FIGHT stands for Fraudulent Illicit Global Hair Transplants.
Grabe no, it's so sad na some people would fall into the wrong hands because we know that for the patient, it is a very big decision for them. Pinaghahandaan to, pinag-iisipan ng mabuti, they do their research, and of course, pinag-iipunan nila to. So we know how hard it is to correct a botched cosmetic procedure. And we've seen patients na mali yung pagkagawa ng hair transplant from different teams.
Or may problema sila.
Yes.
Huwag na natin patagalin pa, Doc Jean, no? So here are some of the things we think you should consider if you are going to choose your hair transplant team. Number 1, so please make sure that you are consulting with a physician naman talaga, no? You also have to make sure that the physician will be involved in doing the procedure. Siyempre, kasama yung hair transplant team niya.
It's not like a ghost doctor lang.
Exactly.
Yes. So, you need to do a proper medical background check for the doctors na gagawa ng procedure ninyo. So, the medical school, if they passed the medical board's exam, and if they did a residency training.
So, bonus yon kung may residency training.
So, usually, yung mga hair transplant doctors, they have specialties also. So, they can be like a dermatologist, like us, pwedeng plastic surgeons, and then they can be ENT, general surgery as well. So,
or meron ding general physicians.
Yes.
These are the most common specialties of physicians who undergo subspecialty training pa in hair transplantation. Usually, there are available courses ranging from 1 to 6 months, pero yung pinaka-legit talaga is a 1 full year fellowship training course. So you can find this worldwide and you have to apply for it. Of course, the longer the training, the more equipped your physician will be in handling hair transplant cases. Because hair transplant is actually a skill-based procedure. So the more times you do it, the more times you repeat it, the better the physician and the team will become.
So other than the physician na nag-train for hair transplantation, it is also very important that the hair transplant team is also trained. It is a group of people, a team of doctors and nurses,
medical, non-medical staff,
yes,
that will compose the whole hair
transplant
transplant team.
So it is important that the physician who trained in hair transplantation would also train the team in order to maintain the quality
And the standard.
the standard for hair transplant.
And lastly, it's also important for your physician to have continuing medical education and bonus, affiliation with local or international hair transplant societies. This is important so that your physician can give you the most updated, effective, sustainable, and cost-effective approach to improve your hair. An affiliation with a local or an international society gives you assurance that your physician is trying to improve herself and the whole team so that they can serve you better.
So I think this is the minimum requirement that a patient should consider when choosing a hair transplant team.
Your role now as a patient is to do your research as to the legitimacy of the hair transplant team that you will choose.
So these guidelines will help you decide on which hair transplant team to choose so that you will have a good transplant experience.
Hope this helps you, our viewers. Good luck on your search and watch out for our next episode. Bye!